बैक इस मोबाइल की हमने कल रिप्लेस कर दी थी, अब हम इसकी फ्रंट स्क्रीन और बैटरी रिप्लेस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम इसके स्क्रूज खोलेंगे नीचे वाले,
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me?
उसके बाद हम इसके डिस्प्ले जो है वो डिसेंबल करेंगे। तो ये मोबाइल है XS Max। Make sure that you use original tools for repairing these kind of expensive mobiles, because if you have been stuck in one screw then you cannot pop it up. So make sure you are using a professional tools. First of all we will remove the battery, then the display cables, then the face side. Here we go. Here we have the screen. Then we will remove the battery. The easiest way to remove the battery is to put some card there. Okay. And then put some cleaner inside. So if there is any type of adhesive down the battery, can be removed very easily. If you can see, the card is downside. Put some card, the battery will like this. Very easy to remove the battery. This is, guys, this is the easiest way to remove the battery. And here we have the old battery. Okay. Now we have here new LCD. Here we have the battery. Here is the new battery. And now we will remove the Face ID to put on the new screen.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gonna feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe I just need a taste and my mind starts feeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. No, I ain't gonna give up. Got too little
We will
time.
take out the front earpiece with this plastic as well.
Cause anything worth doing is a
Then
tough
we will put it on the
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathen sky.
Now what we will do, we will put the Face ID first. Then we will put the battery already. We have put it. Then we will remove this sticker. Okay, now we will turn on the mobile. Now it's working perfectly. Now we will return all the screws to its place.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong
It's
and
working.
why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade
You must be professional to do these type of things.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every
This is
time I wake
guys
up I feel
Access
like
Max.
it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same
iPhone.
way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay.
We'll show this
Okay, maybe
important
you
battery
be the
message,
change I need today.
but it will
I
remove
promise that
after
I've
you
never
will
felt this way.
update it.
I really hope that you will
So let
choose
me
to
come see.
stay through all the pain.
We have installed the screen. Important display message.
Tell me what's wrong and
This will go after 2 or 3 weeks when you will update it. Okay, and this is X Max. This will not show the battery percentage as well. It will show only the line, because before X, if you have any model, you can put the battery and it will show you 100% battery health. Okay guys, this is also an informative thing for you. When you go to replace your battery, it will not show you any percentage. Okay, the device is ready from the front side.